uShila noLuwana bayabona ba i-age yabo bangayenza ibonakale kakuhle if bangasebenzisa i-fractions. Ukuyenza lento izokwenza bakwazi ukubala iminyaka yabo. uShila uthi una 15 and a half. And uLuwana yena una 7 no 7 over 12 years. So uthi nomahluko phakathi kweminyaka yabo. Masiyibhale answer yethu i-simplified ibe i-mixed number. So uShila umdala una 15 and a half. Sifuna ufumana umahluko phakathi ku-15 and a half no 7 or 7 over 12. So siyabona uba nobo yibonanga bayikho obvious kuwe. U1 over 2 uyafana no 6 over 12 and umncinci no 7 over 12. So uba siyenze ngokuseparate whole number ne fraction siseparate ayizukwenzeka kakuhle. So kuzoba lula uba siyenze as improper fraction. So masisibhale as improper fractions. U15 and a half uzoba over 2. So no 2 times 15 is 30 plus 1, 31. So answer to 31 over 2. And then 7 no 7 over 12 simple as improper fraction. Sifaka over 12. And then 12 times 7 is 84. 84 plus 7 is 91. So 91. 91 over 12. Go 7 and 7 over 12. Sisibhalile ngozombini ziyi-improper fractions. Kodwa i-denominator zethu azifani. So sifuna ukufumana i-least common multiple ka-2 no 12. U-12 uyadivideka ngo-12. U-12 aphinda divideke ngo-2. So u-12 i-least common multiple yethu. So zombini zoba over 12. And then le say over 12. So u-91 over 12 uzohlala ngu-91 over 12. Goku le blue ukusuka ku-2 uya ku-12 you have to multiply by 6. So multiply the numerator yethu ngo-6. So 31 times 6. Or 31 times 6 uzoba ngu-186. So ngoku masi subtract. So i-difference yethu umehluko izoba over 12 i-answer yethu, and then 186 minus 91 in numerator. So 186 minus 91. So minus 91 uzaba ngu 95. So answer yethu ngu 95 over 12. So answer yethu ngu 95 over 12. So ngolhlobo i-improper fraction. So sifuna ukuyenza ibe i-mixed number. So masiyenze lonto. U-95 divided by 12 ngubani? Masithi 8 times 12 ngu-96. So leyo inkulu kakhulu. So ungena 7 times. So i-answer yethu izaba no 7 as a whole number. So iti masiyenze as a long division. So 12 no 95. So sithi ungena ku-95 7 times. So 7 times 12 ku-84. So mas minus yeah. So we can go 95 minus 84. 5 minus 4 ngu-1, and then 9 minus 8 ngu-1. So i-remainder yethu ngu-11. So 12 ungena ku-95 7 times, ne-remainder yethu ibe ngu-11. So i-answer yethu u-95 over 12 ngu-7 and 11 over 12. I-answer yethu le. Umahluko phakathi kweminyaka kaShila nekaLuwana ku-7 and 11 over 12.